Assalamualaikum. Today we're gonna be present to you about type of steel structure which is steel skeleton frame and presented by group 7. So our group member is Azharul Faiz, Muhammad Ikhwan and Muhammad Izzat bin Nazri. So what is a skeleton frame? A steel skeleton frame is a construction method that uses a system of vertical column and horizontal beams made entirely from steel. This framework serves as structural backbone of a building, providing the main support for floors, walls, and the roof. It is one of the most common type of structural system used in modern building, especially for high-rise towers, commercial building, and warehouses. The frame supports the entire load of the building, allowing for flexible architectural design and open interior spaces without the need for load-bearing walls. So, purpose and function. First, structural support acts as the main framework that holds up the building. Second is load distribution, transfer building loads from floors, roof, down to the foundation. So, third is flexible interior design, allows open spaces without the need for load-bearing walls. Fourth is support vertical expansion, suitable for multi-story and high-rise buildings. Speed up. Number 5 is speed up construction, prefabricated component, reduce on-site construction time. And lastly, number 6 is efficient for tall and large structures, ideal for skyscrapers, factories, and commercial buildings. So there is a component of steel skeleton frame. A typical steel skeleton frame consists of 3 main components, which is steel column, steel beam, and connections. Steel column are the vertical element that carry the compressive load from the beam and floor above. And steel beams are the horizontal element that supports floor and roof, transferring the weight to the column. Connection such as bolt and weld are used to join beam to column and ensure structural stability. These components work together to form a rigid and durable skeleton that can resist various forces, including gravity, loads, and wind.
Next, we go to overview of method of installation. Start with site preparation and construction of the foundation. Erect steel column vertically on base plate. Install horizontal beams connection to the column using bolt and welding. Lay floor decking, usually metal sheet, followed by concrete pouring. Steel components are fabricated off-site, making installation faster and more efficient. Next, detailed method of installation. Fix steel base plate into the complete foundation. Use crane to lift and position vertical steel column. Connect steel beams at each floor level using bolt and welding. Apply temporary bracing to maintain alignment and ensure safety. Install steel floor deck and pour concrete over it. Repeat the process floor by floor until the full frame is complete, suitable for fast and safe construction, especially in urban or tight site. Advantage of steel skeleton frame: height strength to weight ratio, strong but not heavy. Reduce foundation load. Quick construction. Fabricated component speed up the process. Flexible design. Easy to create, open and modern layout. Durable material. Resist terminates. Durable material. Resist termites, fire and corrosion with treatment. Easy future upgrade. Floor or layout can be changed or extended easily. Reduce overall construction time and cost.
Disadvantage of steel skeleton frame: fire resistant issue. Steel weak at high temperature and need fireproof protection like is to maintain coating or concrete encasement. Next one is a corrosion problem. Steel rusts easily when it's exposed to moisture. Need protective coating and regular maintenance. The next one is a higher initial cost. Steel material and fabricated generally cost more than concrete structure. Next one, the disadvantage is require skilled labor. Need experienced worker for erection, bolting and welding. Is increase the labor cost. The lastly is the thermal conductivity. Steel transfer heat quickly, which can increase indoor temperature if not properly insulated, raising energy costs. Real life example of stress-related frame structure. First, Petronas Twin Tower, Malaysia, one of the tallest twin tower in the world, using a combination of concrete and steel skeletal frame for strength, flexibility and seismic resistance. Next, we got Empire State Building in New York, an iconic skyscraper body with a full steel skeletal frame, complete in 1931 and still standing strong today. The next example is Kuala Lumpur International Airport, KLIA, which in Malaysia use a large span steel framing for its wide open terminal roof and support heavy roofing system efficiently. In conclusion, steel skeletal frame are vital structural system in modern construction. They offer excellent strength, durability and allow for faster building completion, especially for high-rise and large-span structure. Although challenges such as fire resistance, corrosion and higher essential costs exist, this issue can be efficiently managed with proper material, coating and construction technique. Overall, the advantage of steel skeletal frame far outweigh the disadvantage, making them an essential solution for building the sustainable and efficient city of the future.